Hello and welcome. I'm at Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. This is the Westfalia Kepler. It's on the VW base. This will cost you 81,146. So I jumped the gun there with my price. I try to remember them. I don't always succeed. So it's 530 centimeters long, 230 in width, 50 liters of fresh water, 36 liters of wastewater. It's got the small gas canister, and its battery is 100 ampere hours inside. This trade fair is about to start, and I'm just going to walk around and tell you more later. So what's clever about this is that in a very small space, you've got a toilet at the back, and you've got a shower, and that, I think it... Oh, somebody's put something here that shouldn't be in there, sorry. Oh, I'll have to report that, because that shouldn't be there. It's not in the right place. Anyway, so you've got the shower and the back. You've got a bit of storage down here. This is sleep 4. I think that's pushing it a bit in such a small space, but that's the way it is. Now, the toilet here, shower there, and there's the thing for it can be outdoor shower or internal shower. We've got the heating up here. We've got the and Webasto heating. That's your water heater up here. One of the problems with this though is this, and I don't understand why this is here. At the back here, we've got the light switch. In my opinion, the light switch should be down there, because that's the place you actually would turn it on from. There's the ladder to get into the bed, and the bed, as you can see, the ladder, it'll come down near where I'm standing here, and the bed lies on this, and then you get up into the bed from there. Now, this is the Kepler 6 here, but the Kepler 6 is nowhere near as good, and I'm going to show you why by taking you out the back. It costs more or less the same, and the base vehicle is also the same. This has got chairs in it. Chairs at the back have gone down. You're supposed to get a bed to put over it. The bed comes on struts, and there's a mattress for it. So you put the seats down, bed goes over the top, so effectively you're sleeping in a car. If we come in here around, we can see the kitchen bit, which is here. The fridge is nice. It's in there, built into the wall of the Kepler 6, but 2 burners. It does come with the metal bits here, and the knobs. They're just taking them off because people sometimes help themselves to these things. And this here is on the automatic basis, and there you get a view from looking out of the tent in the roof. So we can see other companies here. So we've got Dreamer here, which is also owned by the same company that owns Westfalia, and that company is called Rapido. We've got La Strada, which is an independent manufacturer. We've got Mobil over there, and more Westfalia here. Now, as far as I'm concerned, I do think Westfalia is a really good company, but I really don't rate vehicles that are not self-contained. So this one here does get my mark of approval, because it's got all of this kit inside it. They've got the toilet, you've got the shower. I know people say, well, yeah, I'm going to get all wet inside. Well, you don't, not if you're careful. I do appreciate you're going to have to probably sit down. You've got the water coming out at a very low level, but at least you've got it there. Somebody else said that's a trip hazard. Well, yeah, presumably you might trip on it, but I think that's pushing it a bit. I mean, you say just about anything's a trip hazard like that. I think that's a great solution. And so of the vehicles, of the two, there's absolutely no doubt in my mind. It's also here, that's where the table goes as well, so you can have a table that goes here, and that gives a sort of L shape, not quite, but a sort of L shaped sitting group. And of course these things here will come out as well. Notice the indirect lighting, which I think is particularly attractive. Right, so what I'll do now is I'll just walk you round the rest of the Westfalia stand, but in particular I'm going to come over here and show you the all new Ford Nugget. When somebody says something's all new, I have the all new Judge Judy, which seemed just to be the same as the all old Judge Judy. And is this any different from the old Ford Nugget? Well, it's got, I think there's a little, I can't remember what it looked like now. Anyway, 85,000 euros here. Rear kitchen. Yeah, I can't see much difference between the all new one and the old one. But hey, this one do. This here, the Mercedes estate, Jules Verne. What is clever about this is it's a luxurious estate vehicle with a camper van facilities in it. Look at that. You've got the toilet, you've got a shower, you've got the kitchen up there, got storage. And you know, I used to travel around a Mercedes 190D and had to go to events and things in it. Oh, it would have been great if it had this. I wouldn't have even used the tent in the roof, but I made the bed up downstairs. Well, probably depends on the temperature. That I think is a really interesting vehicle. Look, 90,000 euros though, that's a fair whack of cash. And 50 litres fresh water, 36 litres of wastewater. Got a 92 ampere hour habitation battery, you can change that for a better thing. And gas is the smallest cylinder. So the bed below is 190 by 117, so a single bed really. I'm single, well maybe that's a double, isn't it? The 90 is a single. Anyway, so it's a small double if you like. And heck bed. Sorry, the one below is 172 by 120, and the one that tent in the roof 190 by 117. So I think sleeping 4 people now, it's probably going over the top of it, but that's quite nice. Here, I'll just walk around here and show you one or two other features. There's the Westfalia stand, and bring you back to the Kepler, the one I started off with. So thanks very much for watching, hope you found that interesting, and all the best from me in Germany.